SEO is good for business visibility and branding because when people search for your products and services, you obviously want to appear as high in the search engine rankings as possible. If you can continually show in all these search results, then you are gaining more and more mind share with each potential customer. SEO rewards your business for its efforts at a higher rate than pretty much all traditional forms of offline advertising. The reason for this is because SEO is an inbound marketing strategy, which means it allows you to market to people when they are looking for the products and services your business provides. SEO generates valuable traffic. This is extremely valuable because it can help you make more informed decisions regarding your business and its strategies, both online and offline. So these are some of the reasons why SEO is important for your business. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.